It's a bonus video. Hey you guys, it's Kristen with another Chance Resale, and we have another Jeulia Jewelry unboxing. So if you didn't know, or I'll just refresh your memory, I work with Jeulia Jewelry, who makes sterling silver and gold-plated jewelry. Their items, they're a completely sustainable company, which means they not only have recyclable boxes and stuff like that made from recycled materials, but their stones are lab created right there in in Jeulia's company, and their metals, or their precious metals, are made from recycled precious metals. So everything is sustainable, and that is right up my alley. And everything is made in small batches. There's no big crazy factory. There's no mass production of these pieces. There are actual craftsmen that create each and every piece. So really cool. This one is for their Mother's Day edition. So they really have literally something for everyone. If you're looking for just regular sterling silver, if you're looking for gold plated, rose gold plated, they even have black plated. They have a whole full men's line. They have a wedding line. They have stuff that's super duper dressy. They have stuff that's more casual. They have literally everything. So let's dive in. They asked me to pick from a few different things. Usually it's like a list of like 100 to 300 things. So let me show you what I picked out. And this is like spring Mother's Day. And then I will be posting the Instagram reel that I do for them in the comments, because that's like my my work for them. That's their advertisement. They get to use my reel in their advertising. So let's see, these are earrings. These are so pretty. So these are sterling silver with enamel and clear stones. So they go like this, and they are a post back, but it has that lever there, so you can just get it. It's very strong. There we go. Okay, so that's the little clip, and then that's the front of the earring. So pretty. So it's like a floral. Actually, it's butterflies. So it's pink butterflies, and then the colors around it. So pretty. I'll see if I can show them a little different, in a different way, so that you can see it better. But next up, this is a ring. So I kind of try to get like a mix of different things so you guys can see. This is a more like, it's simple, but it's very beautiful. Like it's got like a little row of stones on the side. So really pretty on that. And I got that for middle finger or pointer finger ring. So pretty. And this stone shines so much. Very pretty. All right, and then lastly, I should probably do a default photo. All right, you guys always get to see me do this. Make sure it's like glistening. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay. So I wanted to get this a few times now, and I always found stuff that I liked better, but I wanted to make sure that I got it because it is just so pretty. So this one, a lot of their stuff comes in a variety of the platings. So most of their stuff you can get in the gold tone or the sterling silver or the rose plated. So make sure, even if you like something on the website and it's not like the plating that you want, click into it and see if there's the option to change it. And sometimes on some of them, you can even change the stone. So make sure you're clicking into items, because this one you can change the color of the chain. So this is malachite and clear stones. And then I chose the gold plated chain, gold plated sterling, or they have the sterling silver. So I just thought that was so pretty, and it's like the perfect size heart, and I believe it's 16 to 18 inches, and it's just so pretty. So there's that. And then okay, so that's everything. So let me actually flip the camera and show you those earrings up close, because you couldn't really tell from this view. So okay, super fast. So they're going to be on your ear like this. So pretty. Look at all that enamel. Okay, super cute. So it's like a hoop, but it's a post. Beautiful. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed. Now remember, I have my 15% off coupon code, Kristen15. So make sure you use that at checkout for 15% off your order. And I will put the direct IDs to the pieces that were shown in the description and the comment section. So you can put those ID codes in the search bar if you want to find these pieces directly. And then also, because this is a Mother's Day collab with Jeulia Jewelry, maybe if you have a mother or are a mother and you want to treat someone else or yourself, please feel free to do that. Even if you're a dog mom or a fish mom, or maybe just you want a special gift for yourself, because you deserve it too. So make sure you use my code Kristen15. Check out their jewelry. It is so worth it. I wouldn't be working with them this long if I didn't believe in their mission and didn't believe in their products. And it's just amazing quality, just amazing all around. Like, oh. Okay, so enough of that. Thank you again to Jeulia Jewelry for entrusting me with their items and a review, and just bringing them to you guys and letting you see what gorgeous jewelry they have to offer. So thank you, Jeulia, and thank you for watching. Make sure you're giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free, and we'll see you in the next one.